Hello, I'm Spencer. I'm the instructor of Dynamic Dalmatians. Let me just share my screen. All right, I'll play it. Wait, I think I need to share my audio too.
Are you passionate about technology and eager to embark on a rewarding career in the tech? Are you passionate about technology and eager to embark on a rewarding career in the tech industry? Look no further. Introducing our revolutionary project, Dynamic Dalmatian AI. Meet Spencer, a tech enthusiast seeking his dream job. With so many opportunities out there, finding the perfect tech job can be challenging. But fret not. Dynamic Dalmatian AI, the future of tech job prediction, is here. By entering just a few details about your tech experience and desired salary, our cutting-edge AI model will predict your potential salary and match you with tech companies that value your skills. Feel empowered and inspired as you chart your path to success with Dynamic Dalmatian AI.
Okay, services. Your satisfaction is our mission. Salary prediction. Our model will predict your salary based on your position, gender, race, location, years of experience, and company. The model works by using multiple different salaries in our database and relates your information with the most accurate input. Company prediction. Our model predicts the best company for you based on your salary and years of experience. This model works by looking through many salaries related to companies and positions, which allows your model to suggest a company based on your needs. Classification versus regression. Our model includes both classification and regression models. The regression model predicts the salary, while the classification model predicts the best company for you based on wanted salary and years of experience.
Average base salary and bonus for top paying companies. This visualization shows the average base salary and bonus for top paying companies. The bottom of the graph is the list of companies with on the bottom of the graph is the list of companies, with the blue bar showing the average base salary and the red bar showing average bonuses. The left side of the graph shows how much money the blue and red bars are worth. We can see Netflix make it the most base salary, but has basically no bonus. This was created by Colin. Predicting salary using years of experience in education. This is a graph that explains the correlation between yearly salary, years of experience, and and education. As you can see, people with high school degrees in some college don't make a lot of money, whereas people with master's degree and PhDs make a lot more money. This was created by Ben. Estimated salary based on job title and experience. This bar chart shows the estimated salary based on years of experience and job title. The bottom shows the job title, the left shows the salary, and the right legend shows the years of experience. The lighter the color the bar is, the lower the years of experience. As we can see, the software engineer manager makes the most money at $2.5 million a year on average. This was created by me, Mason. Now I hand it off to Colin.
Well, I don't do this
Oh,
part.
sorry. Now I
Okay.
hand it off to Ibrahim.
No, I do this part.
Okay.
This bar chart represents total yearly compensation with years of experience based on gender. The two bars each represent a gender and how much they make, so we can see the difference in pay. And as you can see, generally with low years of experience, there isn't much of a pay gap, but there's like a little bit like a 200,000 pay gap difference between like when you get to like 15 plus years of experience. So it's, I mean, like the pay gap definitely is real, but it's not as big as you think. This pie chart shows what total yearly compensation is, like how much you make per year is made up on average. So 65.9% is made up on the average base salary, and 9.31% is made up on average bonus, and 24.8% is made up on stock grant value, which is like when companies grant you some portion of their company as a bonus. So this graph of the US shows the average software salary based on location. This allows a person to be able to look at their location and see what the average salary is. People can see how much they'll get paid based on location. The reason for the Midwest being empty is that most tech offices are held on the coast, like by Michigan, Wisconsin, and by Florida, as you can see by the dots. Lots of people also work remote in the Midwest, which could affect salary as the cost of living is not very high. For example, people that live in New York City get paid 14% more than the national average, as the cost of living is much higher. All in all, location impacts salary. Now I'll hand it to Ben to explain some of our models.
So lasso regression. The overview is that lasso regression is a type of linear regression that tries to find the best columns to use by eliminating ones that have worse correlation. Some of its pros are that it automatically does feature selection and it prevents overfitting, and some of its cons are that it's linear, so it can be biased, and it also doesn't see correlated variables very well. When training the model, we tried many things to make it as accurate as possible. We used grid search CV to find the best value of alpha, which was 0.5. And in the end, it was about $78,000 off, which is because it's a linear model trying to predict nonlinear data. The random forest. A random forest is a group of multiple decision trees. The trees each have a subset of data, and each do their best to decide an outcome. In a random forest, there are many trees that individually make a prediction of the value. The trees then average their values together to get a hopefully not biased prediction. We trained the model a lot in order to get a good outcome from it. We again used grid search CV to find the best parameters, which are having a maximum depth of 7 and using squared error as the criterion. We both trained it on the data set as a whole and the individual top 100 companies. Unfortunately, this model wasn't a great choice for our data set, as it's about $200,000 away from the actual value on average. I'll now hand it off to Colin.
Okay, so support vector machine. So the support vector machine model is a classification model that tries to classify objects as Class A or Class B based on their attributes. It can do 2D comparisons, 3D, or even beyond 3D. It tries to find the line of best fit by drawing a line or plane that has all things of one type on one side and all of another type on the other. So for training, after giving an SVM model sets of labeled training data for each category, they're able to categorize new text. The AI notices trends in the data. For example, Google pays more than Facebook. Then the AI takes those trends into the model for the next time a user inputs information to compare their data with the trends. For the results, the SVM model was a pretty good choice for our data set, but unfortunately, the accuracy was low due to the model not taking in more useful information to notice trends. So here we have an example. So let's just put that for the salary and years of experience, 100,000, 5 years of experience. And if we hit submit, then it's USAA. So that would be a good company that would fit the salary and years of experience. And for our second test, we're going to let the audience choose what they want for the salary and years of experience.
Please make sure that it's actually reasonable.
Okay, 250,000, 10 years of experience. Then you would work at eBay if you got that salary and the years of experience. Okay, so now all that's left is our team, which is down below, which has all of our links, and you can check out our website in the link we just put in the chat. That's all for our presentation.